Well, hello YouTube. I know it's been a long time since I've done a system test, but I think it's time to do one. I'll show you all the new devices on the system. First one here is the Simplex T-Bar, 2901 I think. That's what we'll be using to set off the alarm. And the only other new device on the system for the moment, the Simplex horn. Excuse this mess above the door there. That looks really crappy compared to the rest of the system, but it's a closet, so I've been kind of impartial. So we'll set the system off with the T-Bar. Where's my key? So that there, YouTube, is a test of the new devices. Pretty loud. Yeah. Thanks for watching.